Welcome! If you've been using Telegram Web on your PC and feel like the interface animations are slowing things down or just distracting, there's a simple way to turn them off. In this quick guide, I'll walk you through exactly how to disable interface animations using the latest Telegram Web update. First, go ahead and open Telegram Web in your browser. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access all the settings. Once you're in, take a look at the top left corner of the screen. You'll see a menu icon with 3 horizontal lines. Click on that to open the main menu. From the menu, scroll down until you find Settings and click on it. This will take you to a page where you can customize how Telegram looks and behaves. Now, inside Settings, look for an option called Animations and Performance. Depending on your version, it might be slightly lower in the list, so take a moment to find it. Once you're in Animations and Performance, you'll see a toggle for interface animations. This is what controls all those smooth transitions and visual effects when you switch chats or open menus. To disable them, simply turn that toggle off. That's